Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are discussed about that nominal T method and nominal pi method and end condenser method. And for these circuits, for these transmission lines, we can calculate that expressions for the sending end voltage and sending end current. And in that is the one of the another method for the generalized circuit constants, that is nothing but A, B, C, D. These are the for the transmission line easy calculation method is nothing but the generalized circuit constants of a transmission lines. Here the four parameters are there, that the four constant values are A, B, C, D, and the each and every circuit having input voltage and current and output voltage and current. Okay, and in this we can write that expressions or the input for input voltage and current can be expressed in terms of output voltage and current. These are the equations. We know that these two equations, these are the Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. Okay, Vs and Is is nothing but the input current and voltage, that is nothing but sending end voltage and current, and Vr IR is the receiving end side, that is nothing but output voltage and current values. Okay, and here we can mention some conditions once again. One minute. Okay, this is the circuit for the showing representation of ABCD parameters. In that, the sending end current direction and the voltage is present in the input side is nothing but sending end, and VSIS at the receiving end the current flowing is IR, and the receiving end voltage is VR. Receiving end voltage is VR. Okay, and here we know the two equations, two port network solution equations, that is nothing but Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. In each and every circuit having at the ending side, that is nothing but here ending the side, two conditions are occurred, that is the open circuit and closed circuit. Okay, and one minute, I will share the screen. I will write the equations. Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into IR. So Is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. These are the two expressions. Sending end voltage can be sending end voltage and sending end current expressed in terms of receiving end voltage and receiving end current. Okay, these are the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, we'll draw the circuit also. The flowing current is Is and the voltage is Vs, and at the receiving end side the voltage is Vr and the current is IR. Okay, here this is a two-port network circuit, and here four parameters are there: sending end current, sending end voltage, and receiving end current, receiving end voltage. At the receiving end side, two conditions are occurred, that is open circuit and short circuit. Okay. At the ending side, two conditions are occurred, that is the open circuit and the short circuit. Okay. And for the open circuit, here in the open circuit, the current value equal to 0. That is nothing but IR equal to 0. Okay. In the short circuit, only the current is flowing, so the voltage VR equal to 0. Okay. Here two conditions are occurred in the two-port circuit. Is any circuit, that is nothing but open circuit and short circuit. And for open circuit, IR equal to 0, and for short circuit, VR equal to 0. For the short circuit, voltage is nothing for the short circuit. So here that VR value equal to 0. And for open circuit, voltage is present and the current value is 0. Okay, in these two conditions are expressed in or substitute in equation 1 and 2, we can get the values for the constant values A, B, C, D. Okay, and in equation 1, that is for the open circuit condition, IR equal to 0. Put IR equal to 0 in equation 1, we can get the value of A. Okay. See here, Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR is nothing but in place of IR we can substitute the value of 0. Okay, so this total term can be 0. So A equal to Vs by VR. Okay, sending in voltage by sending in current. And that in the open circuit condition IR equal to 0, substitute in equation 2. In equation 2, we can get IR equal to 0. So C value we can find out here. C IS equal to C into VR plus D into IR value is 0. So C equal to VR by IS. And for short circuit VR equal to 0. So VR equal to substitute in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1, VR equal to 0, then we can get the value of B. Okay. So Vs equal to A into VR. VR is 0. So this term equal to 0 equal to B into IR. So this is equal to B equal to Vs by IR. Okay. And substitute in equation 2. In equation 2, substitute VR equal to 0, we can get the value for D. Okay. C equal to C into VR equal to 0. So the product value is equal to 0. So IS equal to D into IR. So D equal to IS by IR. Okay, these are the four parameters we can calculate for the general two-port circuit. Okay, And here we find out the constant values for A, B, C, D. Okay, in the same method we can find out the ABCD parameters in the end condenser method and nominal T method and nominal pi method also. We can derive the expressions in the nominal T and nominal pi method in the vector representation form. Okay, in the previous class we derived the expression for nominal T, nominal pi and end condenser method in a vector representation form. Okay, in this once again I will repeat that same procedure for finding the constant, generalized constant parameters, that is nothing but A, B, C, D values. Okay, the same procedure occurred here, and for in the place of the constant values are present here. Once see the deviations. Okay, see here. Okay, VSI equal to A into VR plus B into IR, and IS equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Okay, in these two equations we can substitute that open circuit condition IR equal to 0 and short circuit condition IS equal to 0, and we know that find out the values of A, B, C, D. Okay, and here one point is there, and that is nothing but A equal to Vs by VR. Okay, and the voltage values are both are cancel each other, and we can get the dimensional less value. Okay, and for B and C, A and D are also dimensional less values, and B and C are represents in current by voltage, voltage by current. So it can be represented as ohms or Siemens. It can be reversed, and that represent as Siemens, and V by I is nothing but ohms. Okay, here the two conditions are occurred here. A and D are the dimensional S parameters, and B and C are represents in the ohms or Siemens. Okay. See here, in the four terminal networks, the input voltage and input current can be expressed in terms of output voltage and current. And here the Vs is the sending end voltage per phase, and Is is the sending end current, and VR is the receiving end voltage, and IR is the receiving end current. Okay, and here the point is nothing but A, B, C, D are the generalized circuit constants of the transmission line and are the complex numbers. Okay, here note that point, A, B, C, D are the complex numbers. In that we represent only the constants. Okay, that constants are the complex numbers. And here the constants A and D are the dimensionless, and whereas the dimensions of B and C are ohms or Siemens respectively. And one more condition is that for any given transmission line, these conditions are occurred. Okay, that only this ABCD generalized circuit parameters conditions will conditions are occurred. Okay, only for these two conditions are occurred, then only the process this ABCD parameters, okay, calculation can be done. Okay, and for given circuit the two conditions are A equal to D and AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, these two conditions are occurred compulsory. Okay, so let us take the short transmission lines. Okay, here in the short transmission lines, the effect of line capacitance can be neglected. So in that only resistance and inductance are present here. Okay, and here the Vs equal to VR plus some drop. Okay, Vs equal to VR plus drop. Drop is nothing but here the flowing current is Is or IR equal to both are same. Okay, and this IR, here flowing the current is at the receiving end in the transmission line. IR, okay, IR and IS is there, no problem at all. IR in terms of here the condition is the input voltage and input current can be expressed in the form of output voltage and current. So we can represent the IR into Z. Okay, this is the drop. I into Z is the drop. Okay, and here Vs equal to VR plus IR into Z. And one more condition is there, Is equal to IR. Okay, these are the two equations for the sending end voltage and sending end current. Okay, compare these two equations with the, we know the constant equations, Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Compare these two equations, we can get the values of A, B, C, D. Okay, and here compare with Vs values with respect to this, and that VR product value here A, and here value is 1. So that value of A equal to 1. Okay, and B equal to, okay, here the IR product value is B, and here IR product value is Z. Okay, and compare the Is equation, VR C product. Okay, VR is the product of C, and here there is no VR product value, so VR is nothing but there is no VR value, so C equal to 0, and D equal to, here the IR product value is D, and here IR product value is 1. Compare these two, D equal to 1. We can get the value of constants comparing these two equations. That values are A equal to 1, B equal to Z, C equal to 0, and D equal to 1. Okay, so in this transmission line, we satisfy the two conditions, then only ABCD parameters are calculate. Okay, the two conditions are A equal to D and AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, first of all, A equal to D satisfied, A equal to 1, D equal to 1, so it can be satisfied. And next one, AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, in this AD minus BC equal to 1, we can get the values are A equal to 1, B equal to Z, C equal to 0, and D equal to 1. The first condition is A equal to D. Satisfied? Yes. And the second condition is AD minus BC equal to AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay. Here A value is 1 and D value is 1. A into D, 1 into 1, minus B value Z into C value 0. So this value equal to 0 into 0, value is nothing but 0, and we can get the value 1. So this condition also satisfied. AD minus BC equal to 1. So for the end condense, for the short transmission lines, for the short transmission lines, that ABCD parameters conditions are satisfied. Okay, and here next I will once again I will repeat that derivation. See here, first of all, generalized circuit constants are four constants, that is nothing but A, B, C, D. These are the four constants, and by using these four constants, the input voltage and currents can be expressed in terms of, okay, the input voltage and currents can be expressed in terms of output voltage and current. Okay, input voltage is nothing but sending end voltage, and sending end current can be expressed in terms of receiving end, that is nothing but output voltage and current, and with respect to constant values. And these expressions can be derived for the all the transmission line networks, that is nothing but short transmission lines, medium transmission lines, and long transmission lines also. We can calculate the ABCD parameters. Okay, these by using ABCD parameters, we can calculate the problems very easily. And here one more point is there, and these ABCD values are the complex values. We can derive the expressions in the complex forms. Okay, we already derived in the previous class, derived expressions in the complex solutions. Okay, in this the constants can be expressed in the complex forms, and that in the place of complex forms, the constant values are there. Okay, that is nothing but ABCD constants. For the short transmission line, in the short transmission line, only resistance and inductance are there. So here the flowing current is throughout the transmission line same, and here the sending end current is equal to the receiving end current. Same current is flowing. So IS equal to IR, the equation will be IS equal to IR. This is the equation 1. And for the VS equal to expressed in terms of receiving end voltage and receiving end current. Okay, and here VR plus some drop occurred here. So VS equal to VR plus drop is nothing but IR into Z. Okay, and VS expressed in terms of VRIR, and IS expressed in IR. There is no VR value. Okay, so plus 0 place here. Okay, and compare these two equations with the two-port network equations, that is nothing but Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Compare these two equations, we can get the value of A equal to 1, B equal to Z, and C equal to 0, and D equal to 1. We calculate ABCD values, okay, from these two equations, and the conditions also satisfied. Okay, the given transmission line A equal to D is a compulsory. Two conditions are occurred, then only the ABCD parameters or calculation will be done for that transmission line. Okay, and first one is A equal to D, and second one is equal to AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, and the next, the medium transmission line. In the medium transmission line, three calculations are occurred. For the first one is the end condenser method, and second one is the nominality method, and third one is the nominal pi method. Okay, in this for the medium transmission lines, ABCD constants for end condenser method. And here end condenser method, in the end condenser method, the circuit is R inductance, resistance, inductance, and capacitance are there. This is the circuit for the end condenser method: resistance, inductance, capacitance. Okay, and this is the sending end voltage Vs, and at the current flowing is the sending end current Is. And here in the transmission line, throughout the current up to here, the Is is flowing, and it can be divided into two parts, that is nothing but IR and IC. Okay, and in the load current is nothing but the voltage is VR and the current is IR. Okay, and write down the first equation. Is can be divided into two parts, so that can be write that equation is Is equal to IC, two currents. IC can be divided into two currents, IR plus IC. Okay, so Is equal to IC plus IR. IC value, why we can calculate that IC value is in the parallel to voltage, the load is VR. So in the capacitance also VR is there. So VR into Y. Okay, Y is nothing but omega C value representation. So we can write that here VR into Y plus IR. IR is nothing but IR. Okay, Is can be expressed in terms of VR and IR. And similarly, we can express the voltage equation Vs equal to VR plus drop. Okay, Vs equal to VR plus, in the transmission line, here the drop. Here the drop is nothing but, here the flowing current is Is, and the parameters are R and XL. So that can be represented as in the form of impedance. Okay, that is nothing but Z value, Is into Z. Vs equal to Vr plus Is into Z. This is the drop. Vr, the receiving end voltage, plus drop is equal to the sending end voltage. And Vr plus, in the place of Is, we can substitute the value of Is, that is nothing but Vr into Y plus Ir. We can substitute IR value into Z. Okay. So here VR plus VR into Z can be multiplied both these two terms. That is nothing but Z into Y. VR into Z into Y plus Z into IR. So these are the two VR terms. So common with these two terms VR into 1 plus ZY plus Z into IR. So Vs also expressed in terms of Vr and Ir. So compare these two equations with the two-port equations, that is nothing but Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into Ir. So Vs equal to A into Vr. So A equal to 1 plus Zy and B equal to IR product, that is nothing but Z, and for is equal to VR product is nothing but C. Here VR product Y, so C equal to Y, and IR product D, and here IR product is 1, so D equal to 1. We know that comparing these two expressions, we can get that ABCD values. In the first case, we can identify the two conditions. First condition is A equal to D. A value is equal to 1 plus zy and D equal to 1. So not A not equal to D. And the second condition is AD minus BC equal to 1. That can be satisfied. Mainly for the calculations, both two conditions are satisfied. Only ABCD constants can be calculated for the method. Okay. So for the end condenser method, the first condition can be not satisfied. So for the end condenser method, that ABCD parameters constants is nothing but these equations can be not done for the end condenser method. Okay. For the end condenser method, ABCD parameters calculations cannot be done. Okay. Why? Because the conditions do not satisfy. So this way, for the in the medium transmission lines, ABCD calculations are not done. And for the short transmission lines, we can calculate that ABCD parameters. Okay. And in the medium transmission lines, we can't do that calculations. Why? Because the case 1 does not satisfy. That is A not equal to D. Okay. Once again, I will repeat that expressions in the end condenser method. And for in the end condenser method, Is is divided into two currents, that is nothing but IR and IC. So Is equal to IC plus IR. So IC equal to IC is nothing but the capacitive current. In the capacitive current value, we can find out by using the voltage and capacitance value, and VR by XC. That XC value we can also represent in the 1 by XC equal to the susceptance value is nothing but Y. It can represent Y also. Okay. And IC plus IR equal to, IC equal to IC capacitive current equal to VR into Y plus IR. So finally we can get Is equal to in terms of VR and IR. So this is the equation 1. Okay. And for the Vs is equal to VR plus Vs is the sending end voltage, Vs equal to VR plus drop. In the drop, the flowing current is Is. So Is into Z is nothing but R plus JXL. Okay. In that, we can write that impedance value is nothing but Z, Is into Z. We know that Is value, so Is value substitute here and we get in terms of VR and IR. Okay. In these two terms, we are common with these two terms. VR into 1 plus zy plus IR into z. So finally we can get the Vs in terms of VR and IR. So comparing the two equations, Is equal to VR into y plus IR and Vs equal to VR into 1 plus zy plus IR into z, compare with the two-port network ABCD constant equations, that is nothing but Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. So Vs equal to, we know that 1 plus zy into VR. Comparing these two VR products and IR product values, so we can get the constant values, that is nothing but A equal to 1 plus zy, B equal to z, C equal to y, and D equal to 1. Okay, and these four values we can calculate. And firstly, that constants can be done only by the two conditions are occurred in that method, then only we can calculate that ABCD parameters. And the first one is the A equal to D, and second one is the AD minus BC equal to 1. So the first condition is nothing but A equal to D, A equal to 1 plus zy and D equal to 1. So these two values are not equal. So this medium transmission lines for end condenser method, the ABCD calculations are not done. Okay. And this is the generalized constant for the short transmission line. And in the medium transmission line, only one method we can done here, that is the end condenser method. In that end condenser method, the ABCD parameter calculations are not done. And the next, nominal T method and nominal pi method, these two methods are discussed in the next class. Okay.